Hey guys, how's it going? This is Kendrys. Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you a few tips to draw angry face expressions. So drawing angry face expression is pretty simple, like straightforward. So the main idea here is like the eyebrows and the mouth. You can see a lot of that. It's gonna go down in the middle, like pointing down. You can see here, just down the middle, and then kind of up on the sides. And then if you want to make a character even more angry, just bring them even lower, closer to the eyes, and then the mouth slightly bigger too. So you can see that I only moved that a little lower. It's still the same. I just dragged it down, and like he looks like more angry. So just bringing the eyebrows lower and the mouth bigger, it can only get you so far. Something else you could do is adding a little bit more wrinkles here on the closer to the eyes, around the top of the bridge of the nose, and the nostrils a little more open too, so that gives like they're breathing heavily maybe, or something like that, so they look even more angry. And besides that, like the face features and like wrinkles and things like that, something else they can do is adding symbols. So you see in the anime and cartoons, you can see that a lot more, adding symbols like obviously the vein, the forehead is a pretty common one. This one too, like just having like little like smoke coming out of their head kind of thing. These are like symbols that just make you realize that they're angry, make it more obvious that they're angry. And this one's kind of interesting too, just a little bit there on the side of the eye, kind of showing that they're angry. And this one is kind of, the way I see it is like, when somebody's getting like red, their face is getting red, so it's like the blood is rushing to your face, and they're really angry. So I want to show with line art is like we're doing these lines there. So around this area, around the middle of the eyes, like this area right here. So I have this other example here, and you can see the eyebrows are still going down, but the eyes are closed. And this kind of shows that the character is angry, but like they're trying to hold back. They're trying to hold back, but like they're really angry. Something else too, like the mouth, like make it like asymmetrical. Like they trying to hold back like a little bit. They can't kind of contain themselves. Another way to do it too is obviously like the eyes getting wide and the pupils really small. And you can play around with the hair too, like the hair going out, and the clothing too. You could do that, almost like they're exploding, like they're going outwards. And then the mouth, you can have different mouth shapes if they're yelling, or it depends what the character is doing. And something else that's not really about the faces, but it's like the body language. A few things about the body language is like, you can think about it like this, like there's the closed body language, which could be like they're angry but they're trying to hold back, a little bit like this image here, like they're kind of angry but they don't want to act on it or something like that. So body language is closed, like maybe arms folded, or like kind of like inwards kind of body language, keeping themselves together, like close, or like not outward. For example, like this one, this is more like leaning forward or aggressive, like they're ready to like attack the other person, like sending the anger to the other person kind of thing. And then this one too is kind of similar, but it's kind of like an outward, like rage, like exploding kind of thing. So like maybe the arms in kind of going outward direction, that kind of thing. Could be like a fight pose. You could play around with that, with it going out and maybe leaning forward. So that's pretty much it for the video. If you guys find it useful, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more. I'm gonna be making this into a series about like all different face expressions and emotions and things like that. So you can leave your comments for questions or suggestions about it, or other videos. So that's gonna be it for this one. See you in the next one. Bye.